Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Jonathan and we have a lot packed into today's vlog. We're going to be doing some cleanup items, some spring cleaning, things that need to be done on the F250, and in doing so we're going to do some product comparisons, and we're also, even more fun than that, going to be meeting up with Durbin of the Durbin Compound, and he is a fellow YouTuber and also from Ohio. Very recently we found out that we are within 30 minutes of each other, so we thought today would be a great day to do a collaboration and get into some car stuff, try out some products, test out some things, and just a good chance to get together and meet up. If you haven't seen his channel, you should definitely check it out. And whenever I first found his videos, I didn't realize he was from Ohio. The first video that I found of his was the overview of his shop, and I have to say that his shop is absolutely what I want to do at some point in time to this garage. I mean, I can't do all of it, but at least the bits of attention to detail and very cool conveniences that he has in his shop, definitely things that I'm going to be using as a bit of a roadmap to build out this garage. Before we do anything else today, we need to go ahead and give the F250 just a really quick wipe down, really quick clean. I think that it's going to be on video potentially, and I would hate to have all those water spots all over it. We're just going to go ahead and give it just a quick wipe down real quick. And I know that I didn't get everything wiped down. It's not nearly as clean as what I would like it to be, but I'm running a little bit behind, so we have to do what we can in the time that we have. But now that it is clean and wiped down, I think we can go ahead and head out. We have an exciting one in store today. We are doing a collaboration, and I am here with Durbin of the Durbin Compound. I will go ahead and leave a link to his channel right here in this corner, and we're going to be doing some comparisons of some products and testing them out. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be testing out some products on the Jeep, and you can see where we've already started. So this is the JaxWax Black Trim Renew, and then this is going to be some VRT from Adam's Polish. We're going to try it out, see which one works, and whichever one is better, I think that that's what I'm going to end up using on the F250. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and we can go ahead and get started.
Awesome, let's do this. All right, so we're comparing these two products today. Obviously in the video from Thursday, if you haven't seen it yet, you can click over here in the top right corner, take you over to this Black Trim Renew video. I know me and John were talking about, he was like, I just ordered this product and I'm waiting for it to come in from Adam's Polishes. Let's compare the two. Do you want to apply it? You want to take the honors?
Definitely.
All right,
I would love to try this out.
It's your product. Let's see what it does.
Let's see. I actually didn't read the instructions.
Well, I read them out loud, but I forget what they say now. Nobody reads the instructions, dude. I think that's something I went over in my first video, is like, just use the product how you're going to use it or how it feels, because heck, you're not, like 50% of the users aren't going to, and right here, 50%. Right. 50% didn't read the instructions. Exactly right. And I'm in here like, oh, let's do it per the instructions, give it a fair shake. And Jonathan's like, whatever. Like, so.
Hey Rambo. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. What's up, buddy?
All right. See what it does. I have my black glove on still, like, I got the glove. So I guess the next thing is let's take it out on your F250 and see what's up.
Yep. Let's do it. So we just got done testing out the VRT on the Jeep inside of the garage, and we want to go ahead and see what this stuff looks like on these door handles, and they're not too faded, but they are starting to get a little bit faded. So we want to see what this stuff will do and see if this can bring these a little bit back to what they look like from the factory. My videos, this is typically when I would actually just speed through the whole process. I mean, it looks darker, but I mean, we can go and look at the other side. Yeah, I mean, I think I can tell I can tell a little bit of a difference, I think. Like this part seems to be a little bit lighter on this side compared to after applying it on the other side.
Jonathan's allowing me to just spread this stuff right on his F250. See what it looks like, but otherwise, he wasn't ready for that. Look, Rambo just go right up underneath the truck, dude.
What's up, Rambo?
Talk for a second.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Rambo. Hey, Rambo. Nope.
He's like, you got treats? You got treats? Rambo, what are you doing in our video, bro? Will you quit it? He's always just wanting to get attention.
All right, and just like that, we are back in the garage. Today was a really cool day. That was awesome meeting up with Devin and checking out his place. It's phenomenal. I mean, if you haven't seen any of his videos yet, you should definitely go check out his channel. He's got all kinds of cool projects going on, and I mean, I have to say, his garage, his shop, I mean, watch the videos, and all I have to say is that in real life, they are even better than in video. So I definitely appreciate him letting me come out and meet up and everything, and doing all of the testing of those products on the F250, which turned out pretty well. I mean, actually, we can go take a look at those right now. And yeah, I mean, all of the trim pieces that we did, I mean, this door handle looks amazing. It's way nicer than what it was. These black trim pieces here are really nice. The biggest transformation I think that happened is this rear bumper. I think this rear bumper looks pretty much brand new. I went in this really wanting the Adams Polish product to be exactly what I was hoping it would be, but in the biggest scheme of things, I mean, the JaxWax Black Trim Renew just really did an amazing job on these pieces. So if we back up a little bit, you can see, I think this bumper looks pretty much brand new, and these pieces as well. The JaxWax Black Trim Renew, I mean, I'm sold. I went into it really hoping that the Adams Polish VRT, that one right there, I was really hoping that was going to be exactly what I needed. I like all the other Adams Polish stuff, but comparing them side by side and to what we wanted them to do, I think the JaxWax one is definitely the way to go if it's really faded and everything. But I think if the trim is already good to go, it's probably, I think the Adams Polish product is probably fine. I mean, I'm still in love with like the rest of their line and everything, and that was just the first time I ever tried that. So now we know. And I think that's where we're gonna wrap today's video. I definitely appreciate you stopping in and checking this out. If you have any comments below, please let me know. And if you happen to know of a product that's better, or you've seen that works better than the one that we used, definitely let me know as well, because I need to do the same type of trim renew or restoration in some way to the Excursion as well. We have some faded black plastic on that one too, so it'd be nice to get that straightened out and get that to look a little bit nicer. But until next time, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.